If you want to customize your edits and make your videos stand out, learning how to import fonts into CapCut PC is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step, from downloading a safe font file to installing it on your computer to finding it inside CapCut and using it in your project. This works great if you want cleaner titles, more creative captions, or a brand style that looks more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is download the font you want to use. Make sure you choose a trusted font site like Dayfont, FontSpace, or Google Fonts so you know the file is safe. When you find a font you like, look for the downloads option and make sure the file is in .ttf or .otf format. Those are the two most common formats that work with CapCut and with your computer's font system. After the font finishes downloading, it usually comes in a zip file, so don't worry if you don't see the actual font right away. Next, you need to extract the zip file. On Windows, open File Explorer, find the downloaded zip folder, right-click it, and choose Extract All or Unzip it. On Mac, you can usually just double-click the zip file and it will unpack automatically in Finder. Once it's extracted, open the folder and look for the font file itself. It should end in .ttf or .otf. This is the file you need to install. Now it's time to install the font on your computer. If you're on Windows, simply double-click the .ttf or .ot file, and a preview window will open. In that window, click Install at the top left. That will add the font to your system fonts, which means CapCut can detect it later. If you're on Mac, open the font file and use Font Book to install it. Just follow the on-screen prompt and confirm the installation. Once the font is installed, it should be available across compatible apps on your computer. After installing the font, make sure you fully restart CapCut Desktop. This is an important step because CapCut often needs a refresh before it recognizes newly added system fonts. If the app is already open, close it completely, not just minimize it, and then open it again. This simple restart helps CapCut reload the font list and makes your new font show up properly. Now open your CapCut project and add a text layer to your timeline. You can use a title, subtitle, caption, or any text element you want. Click the text so it's selected, then go to the text settings on the top right side of the screen. Inside the font options, open the font drop-down menu and choose System. This is where CapCut shows the fonts that are installed directly on your computer. Once you're in the system font list, use the search bar and type the name of your new font. If the font installed correctly, it should appear in the results. Click it to apply it to your text. You should see the style update immediately inside your project. From there, you can adjust the size, spacing, color, and effects to match your video style. If your font doesn't show up right away, double check that you installed the correct file type and that CapCut was fully restarted. And that's it. Now you know how to import fonts into CapCut PC and actually use them in your edits. This is a really simple trick, but it makes a huge difference when you want your videos to look more unique and polished. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.